Tenant's responsibility for gardening. It is the tenant's responsibility to maintain the garden at the property that they are renting. The garden needs to be maintained in the condition it was presented to you in. If you are not able to care for the garden on your own, then please contact our property management department and we can put you in touch with gardeners. In caring for the garden, you will be responsible for the following: mowing and edging the lawn regularly, keeping the garden beds and lawns weed-free, watering the lawn and garden, sweeping the paths and general raking, pruning when required, and removal of all garden rubbish. If you have an approved pet, then you're also responsible for removing any pet droppings regularly from the garden. If there is a fish pond or a water feature, it is to be kept clean and the filter to be cleaned regularly. If you are unsure of any of these responsibilities, please contact your property manager for advice.